Hello guys, and welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So playing with friends on Monopoly Go is pretty easy. The first thing that you have to do here is you want to open up your Monopoly Go application. Now in here, you'll be having the option to actually log in with your Facebook account. So we suggest you to actually connect your Facebook account in order for you to actually go ahead and play with your games. So just click on Play with Friends. It's going to give you notice for Facebook. So you need access to your public profile in order to connect your account. So just click on Confirm. It's going to actually connect your account. There might be prompts for you to actually connect your account. So just proceed with the prompts and you'll be able to log in into your board here in Monopoly Go. Now in here, what you need to do is you want to go to the bottom right of your screen. That's the friends section, and from here you'll be able to actually play with different people. So you have the add friends option here. Now from here, if your friends already invited you, just click on accept and you will be able to play with them. Now if you don't have your friend right now and you're bored here, you just click on invite. And from here, you'll have different options on how to invite friends. So as you can see, invite friends who never played before. Your friends join the game, complete the bar, and get the big reward. So here, just click on anywhere in your screen and just click on the invite link there or the invite via messenger. So if you click on the invite via messenger, you'll be able to be redirected into Messenger and you'll be able to send that link to your friend itself and they'll be able to join you on your game. Now if you choose the other option, which is the invite link, so you'll be able to share the specific link on other platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, messages, or even your other accounts here. And from there, they just need to click on your link and they'll be able to join your game, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.